To finalize, let's speak about the next steps in this research area. As you can see in the slide 16, nowadays by integrating different data sources, social media, wearables, electronic health records, we can get a very comprehensive view of the context of the patient. All the things are affecting our health. People are sharing in social media what they are eating, taking even pictures of what they eat. With wearables, we can learn about the physical activity patterns, sleep quality, etc. And if you combine that with electronic health records, we can run very advanced data analytics, which can be used to help the decision-making process of both professionals and patients. When we are speaking about healthy living, we are not only speaking about diagnosis of conditions and physiological aspects like blood pressure, whether you have diabetes, obesity. There are many other factors, as you can see in the slide 17. There are the social structure will play a major role in our health, whether we are old, whether we are male or female, that change quite a lot. Income has been proven to have also an influence in the health. Environmental factors, especially everything that has to do with pollution. Pollution is becoming a major issue in many cities, like for example, dust storms, and also we have to take into consideration climate change with very serious heat wave, extreme weather that affects very badly the elderly population, and then very important, all lifestyle issues, including also mental well-being. Things like diet, activity, and sleep quality play a major role in our health. If we can get all that information about the context of the user from social media wearables and the electronic health record, then we can do different things. For example, we can create dashboards that will help the decision makers, for example, professionals taking care of the elderly. We can develop personalized applications to give feedback coaching to elderly patients. And also, why not, we can use those data sources to try to understand what influences the health of the individuals. A little discussion about the next steps in this area. One of the issues that we are facing is that we don't know exactly how to implement those technologies in the real setting. Often, when we implement this technology in the nursing home, in the home of the elderly, we will fail. And we don't know exactly why. So it's not really just an RCT. Sometimes there are cultural factors playing a role, it's the workflow in the hospital, etc. To address this issue, what we need to do is more implementation research, trying to identify which is the best way to implement this new technology in the real setting. As you have seen in this presentation and many of the previous ones, most of the samples are related to either diabetes, obesity, cancer, but does it really make sense to only address one condition when most of the elderly people will have actually several conditions? Are we going to have 20 different systems for each disease? I don't think that's right, so we should really try to make systems that are tailored for the particular health issues of one patient. And by patient, we have to consider all the different aspects and not only one particular disease. Even more, we should stop addressing the elderly as a patient, because at the end of the day, they are just individuals that they want to have a healthy lifestyle. So we should focus on the healthy living and not so much about the disease. In the slide 19, I would like to just emphasize some very important challenges. Implementation research is something very, very important. When we are integrating a lot of heterogeneous data sources, we have many technical challenges, like how the quality of the data, how to analyze it, how to clean the data, etc. And nevertheless, we need to speak about ethical issues, cultural and legal issues. Right now, data is getting distributed across many different systems that they have different legal frameworks. For example, Fitbit may integrate the data. In the UK, if you're using wearables from Withings, that's a Finnish company, and then it becomes a legal issue to integrate that data, in addition to all the technical challenges that we have in top.